high-waist transformation, and I'm using some biker shorts that I already have as a reference piece. And if you don't have any biker shorts, you can also use a pair of high-waisted leggings. I'm also using scissors, a rotary cutter, some matching thread, and pins. Now it's time to cut out the pattern pieces, so fold in half your biker shorts, and we are cutting the butt pattern pieces right now. So the curve is longer for the butt, and once we're done cutting out this pattern piece, we're gonna fold the biker shorts the other direction so that the front of the biker shorts is exposed while we're cutting it out. The front curve is a little shorter than the back, of course, and I'm just equaling it up to cut the top. And now I'm going to put the right sides together and pin along the crotch seam. Now it's time to cut out the pattern piece for the waistband. I'm just cutting off all the excess fabric and making sure that it's as straight as possible. So it was definitely uneven, so I was just kind of trimming it up. And here I am putting the right sides together, and I just measured it against myself. Pin those side seams together, and we're going to take these 3 pieces to the sewing machine. It's time to sew a straight stitch down the crotch seam. And after we do that, of course, I'm going to follow up with a zigzag stitch because I don't have a serger machine just yet. I also did a straight stitch down the waistband sides.
Cut that bitch out.
Lay the pattern pieces flat and put them right sides together and match the crotch seam and begin to pin. Next, pin down the side seams. Sew a straight stitch down both sides and the crotch seam. Then you can follow up with your zigzag stitch. Fold the waistband in half so that the right side is exposed. Place this waistband inside of the biker shorts. So we're going to match these side seams together and first pin the side seams. And then I like to go in and pin that crotch seam right in the middle down to the waistband, and then I pin throughout the bottoms. Go to the sewing machine and begin to sew the straight stitch, and you can also follow up with a zigzag stitch on this. I just decided not to because I completely forgot, but gently guide that fabric through. You can see me kind of pulling it over those seams, and I don't try and stretch that fabric too much because then it'll create ruffles. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it. It took me like 30 minutes to make, so it shouldn't take you guys too much time to make those biker shorts, but don't forget to like and subscribe, turn the bell icon on because I'm going to be dropping videos every Wednesday and Friday. So let me know if you guys want to see any new content besides thrifted transformations. I would love to show you whatever you guys want to see. So comment below what you guys want me to do. And again, don't forget to turn the bell icon on. Bye, queens and kings. Have a good day.